Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing this monochromatic makeup look. This is obviously orange. I like doing monochromatic looks. I feel like it looks good on like every skin tone, like just matching all of your makeup to your other makeup. Does that make sense? I hope it does. But if you guys would like to see how I created this look, feel free to keep on watching and I'm gonna show you. Today I am taking my Morphe 35B palette. As you can tell, this is my favorite palette. I use it all the time. But today I'm going into this yellow shade right here. I'm taking that on a Sigma E38 brush and just blending that in my crease. I'm just really working up that yellow shade because I want it to stick out later. So I want there to be a lot of pigment there. Next, I am taking this orange shade. I am taking that shade on an F63 Sigma brush and putting that slightly lower than where I put that yellow shade. Next, I am going in with my Morphe 35O palette. As you can tell, I also love this palette. I am going to be taking this orange shade on a dense packing brush. I am going to be taking that and like packing it all over my lid. As you can see, what I'm doing is like I'm putting the darkest shade like closer to like my lash line and then going out with the color like from darkest to lightest. Like why I built up the yellow color is because I want it to show through too. Like I want the yellow to be seen in the crease as well. So like the oranges don't overpower the yellow, so that's why I built it up a bunch. Okay, it just took me so long to find this eyeliner, and I swear I have like a problem with like seeing things when they're standing like straight up like this. I have to have everything like laid down. Like I don't know if it's like depth perception issues or like what, but I'm already like blind. But I have a problem. I don't know if that happens to you. Let me know because I'll make me feel a lot better. But I'm just going to be taking my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner and adding a wing to this look. Okay guys, I'm going to get started with my face. I'm taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer and just slapping that on this face. Now I'm going to be taking my Fenty foundation in the shade 200 and dotting that on my face. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know if any of you like wear contacts, but I have this problem where like I always get like makeup on my contact no matter what I do. I always like end up stabbing my eye or like getting powder in there or something. I don't know. It just drives me nuts because then I can't see. I already can't see well and it's a mess. Next, for setting my face, I'm going to be taking my Coty Airspun powder. This powder is like really good for like setting your face. Like I've had it for a while and I've gone through 2 of these already, but I've noticed that it gives you really bad flashbacks. So if you are taking pictures, I wouldn't recommend this like with flash, but if not, if you're just going out, it's good. Next, I'm taking this ColourPop Duo and taking this bronzer that's in here and bronzing my face with that. If you guys want to see an in-depth contour tutorial on to see how I do my contour, I will figure out how to link it somewhere. I'm not really sure how to do that yet, but I'll figure it out. If all else fails, I think I can put it in the description box. So check there. Next, I am taking the Sephora blush. It is Too Hot. These things are so nice, these blushes. Like, I love these things and they're only like $14 and that's like really cheap for a blush, so go check them out. Next, I am taking this Ultimate Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills and I am going in with the shade White Sand. Next, I'm going to be finishing up the eyes. I am going to be going back in with the Morphe 35O palette and taking this orange right here. I'm just going to sweep that underneath my eye. Okay guys, I put on mascara and gelled my eyebrows down, and now I'm going to go in with lips. I am taking the Fenty Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade Saucy. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's monochromatic orange look. If you guys want, feel free to subscribe to this channel, like this video, whatever you want to do. My social media links will be listed down below if you guys want to get a hold of me somehow. I think that's all guys. Catch you later.